Now, dear students, we started about carbon and its compounds. Today, we shall be starting our compounds of carbon. We shall start with word is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons mean carbon plus hydrogen. What is its definition? Please, such compounds which contain only carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Containing only carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons are of very large in number. These are more than 5 lakhs. It is important, more than 5 lakhs. These hydrocarbons are basically divided into 2 parts: open chain and closed chain. Open chain will be discussed separately. These are divided into 2 types. Word is saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are also called alkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are divided into 2 parts: alkene, alkyne. Closed chain hydrocarbons will be discussed separately, are of 2 types. Word is aromatic, will be discussed in coming class. Alicyclic will discuss along with aromatic. Today we shall start discussing about open chain and their different varieties. Just like what are open chain hydrocarbons? In open chain, hydrocarbons have at least 2 terminal carbons. Their chain is open. Now, open chain are divided into 2 parts. First was saturated hydrocarbons. Please, what are saturated hydrocarbons? Starting as all of us know, valency of carbon is 4. If all 4 valency valencies. Such hydrocarbons in which all four valencies of carbon are satisfied by single bond. Single bond are called saturated hydrocarbons. There must be all single bonds. These are also called alkanes. Now, first, open chain hydrocarbons are of two types. Saturated, such hydrocarbons in which all four valencies of carbon are satisfied by single bond are called saturated hydrocarbons. For unsaturated, there will not be all single bonds. There will be double bond or triple bond between two carbon atoms. But today we are discussing about saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are also called alkanes. They are also called alkanes. They have a general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. N is 1, 3, करते we can go up to any number of carbon atoms. Now, to remember the names of these compounds, putting n equal to 1, we shall get CH4. It is CH4. All four valencies of carbon have single bond. It is called methane. A-N-E. A-N-E. Alkane. Putting n equal to 2, C2H6. It is C. Four valencies of carbon, four valencies. This valency is common for this and this. We can write down. It is called ethane. First with M, second with E. Now putting Ha. It is it can be written it is called propane. Putting n equal to 4, C4H10. It is CH3, CH2. It is called butane. In this way, we can keep on writing, just like if we put n equal to 5, we shall get C5. It is called pentane. N equal to 6. It is called hexane. It is all about saturated hydrocarbons. Now, in these hydrocarbons, please, it is one point. It is methane, ethane, it is propane, butane, pentane, hexane. Please see, in this series, these two compounds have difference. CH2, 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 H2. It is called Homologous series, has difference of CH2 between two adjacent compounds. It is called homologous series. On next class we shall do unsaturated hydrocarbons. Thank you, please.